Hey everybody, subscribe for daily content. And if you're shopping for gear, make sure you check out the description of this video for some of the best online retailers. Thanks. What's going on, everybody? Metal Complex here, and today I've got another short little unboxing to share with you guys. I really don't know what's in this one. I don't recognize the name on the front or anything, but as per usual, we're going to find out together. Thank you so much to my generous patrons for continuing to support me. There is a link for Patreon right down in the description. And please make sure to follow me on Instagram at metal_complex. All right, well, let's see what we've got here. I did try to shake it a little bit, and the item is very well packed, so that didn't help me at all. Okay, what do we have here? Surely, oh, all right. Is there a note? No? Okay. Is this the... This must be the new one, the newer rail. I feel like, I wonder if have I handled this before? I wonder, you know what, here's the thing. This is a Ray Laconico design through MBK or Monterey Bay Knives, and he's done a lot of collaborations. I have definitely looked at similar knives, but I don't know if I've actually reviewed this or not, because all of, well, not all of Ray Laconico's stuff looks exactly the same, but they do look very similar, so this must be a variant of something. And obviously I'll get further clarification from the person who sent it. If you sent this to me, I don't think we have a note or anything in... Oh, wait. What's this? Something. Is this part of the packaging? Well, it's too small to be a note, whatever it is. I don't have a note or anything with this, so I'm hoping to receive further clarification from the person who sent it. Thank you very much for, lending it to me for review. I appreciate that. If you could reach out to me at metalcomplex87@gmail.com with your information so that I can make sure and get it back to you, even though I do have the address right here on the box. Yeah, just further clarification on that because I can't remember. It certainly is nice. I mean, the action is great. Versus the other ones I've handled, this seems to actually be a little bit better. We have marble, maybe like a shred carbon fiber, titanium pocket clip. There are liners in there, which is cool. It's a nice liner lock. Very smooth action. What is the steel? It's probably M390 or S35VN, something like that. Feels really good. Tell you something that kind of bothers me a little bit is that there's no cutout. There should be a dip in the scale here so I can access that a little bit better, but it's not really that big of a deal. Flipper tab's nice. I like the grind. These are, you know, something that Ray Laconico always does a good job of is making a utilitarian tool for sure. Fully flat ground blades, not going to get hung up on much. Like if you're going to break down a cardboard box or something. And they're generally pretty thin down behind the edge, which is definitely the case here. This is nice. Fit and finish feels good. I mean, it feels very similar to other Ray Laconico designs that I've handled. But I guess we'll see which variant this is down the road. This is not a review. It's just an unboxing. First time I've handled this particular one, I think. Perhaps I have actually reviewed it. I don't know. But you guys get to see me handle it again anyway if I have. And if I have done a review, obviously you won't get another one. But if I haven't, and this is a variant, which I feel like it probably is, then you'll still get a video on it, at least an overview. To the person who sent this, you can also reach out to me on Instagram. I don't know if I showed that. I don't know if you guys are aware of this card. Metal_complex on Instagram. That's going to be pretty much it today, guys. I hope that you enjoyed this video. Please leave a like. If you'd like to check out my other content, I do, of course, have lots of videos of knives that are either expensive or inexpensive that I do or don't like, so check those out. If you enjoy all of my content, make sure to subscribe because there's definitely more coming. Thanks again for watching, everybody, and have a great day.